Alright, it's recording. I don't exactly have a plan what I'm gonna do with this recording, but I'm pretty much recording this on July 1st, I believe. If I got the date wrong, I'll pretty much show it on screen what it really is. And it's you can't really tell. You probably can't tell what, like, freaking Jesus, pigeon, get out of the way, man. You can't tell what time it is exactly from all this light, but if you can judge from the emptiness of it, it's in the ass crack of dawn, 5:24 a.m. to be exact. So I don't know, out of the blue, not exactly out of the blue, it's actually planned. I wanted to do sort of like a morning drive. Oh my god, stupid pigeon, I don't want to run over you. Fucking hell. Not the same pigeon, but still. That kind of took a toll on my legs. But anyway, yeah, I kind of have planned on doing this sort of bike ride. I kind of want to do this sort of recording while I was driving with both hands, but I can't exactly do that unless it has some sort of, I guess, GoPro with a headset, like a head mount or whatever. But I don't exactly have a GoPro, so I can't really do that right now, unless I would buy it. But I don't exactly have any uses for the GoPro personally. Jesus, that's my freaking bike pedals. I don't exactly have I can't really find any uses for having a GoPro myself, but maybe someday I might get it. But right now I don't have any. I can't think of any like uses with it. But anyway, yeah, I kind of wanted to plan on doing this year and probably recording it, because last year I kind of did this like on what was it called again? Fuck, I can't think of it. It's a morning. The ass crack of dawn is kind of affecting me. I'm thinking about it. Shit, I still can't think of it. It's on. It's not exactly Christmassy, but it's the opposite. It's the complete opposite of that. Is like on June 24th. I forget what it's called. Fuck it. On that date, I wanted to do that on that day, but the problem was the forecast for it said it was going to rain in the morning. I couldn't really tell when I woke up on that day. Well, then again, I didn't really look out the window to see if it was wet outside, but it rained most of the day anyway, during the day, so I would expect it actually did. But I really wouldn't have known because I didn't check. But anyway, fast forward 1 week later, checked the forecast for the weekend, and before going out with a bike as well, like on Saturday evening, checked the forecast on that, and it looked good. And yeah, pretty much it looked good. So I pretty much prepared what I needed for the bike ride, and I'm doing it now. Also, I guess I can mention this, like on, it's called in English Freedom Boulevard in Kaunas, Lithuania. Apparently there's like, it's currently like there's like construction all around most of the area, in most places in the boulevard. And shit, what was I about to say before I ran into people? Because I don't want to run into people while I'm driving on my bike, because I don't want to show faces of strangers I don't know. It's sort of a risk factor for me, I don't know, or something. But I can't think of what I said previously because I got distracted. I needed to focus. Oh great. Most of the traffic is already here at like 5:30 on Sunday. Jeez. There's a little bit of traffic up. A little bit, but yeah. Shit. Maybe I should have gone this a lot sooner, but I guess I was messing around too much on the PC and in the prep, but what can you do? So I guess while I'm doing this, I guess I could talk about other stuff, plans for the main channel, I guess, because actually I do have like some plans for the channel now. Yeah, hello doggy. I am planning on uploading like 2 more, like, well, technically 1 silent playthrough. I kind of started doing one a few months ago with the Need for Speed Most Wanted challenge series, the full playthrough of that. I haven't really recorded really much of it recently, but I've recorded at least half of the challenge series, I think, for the channel, but still in editing and rendering process of it. That wanted to kind of upload that in bunches, or sort of schedule those uploads sort of a near daily basis, along while at the same time doing one more playthrough that I'm currently recording right now. I haven't really done any editing for it yet, but I am planning on it soon once I complete it. So far I've gone pretty far with it while recording it, but of course I still need to finish it before I want to render it for various reasons, which I won't discuss and I won't spoil what it's going to be, but it's going to be exciting. So yeah. So those are my plans so far for that, and yeah. What else can I say? So, I'll need to record some of that still, complete it, and I guess go back to doing the challenge series recordings for Most Wanted, and also do one more recording on Most Wanted, not on the challenge series, but sort of a challenge in the main game that I'm planning on uploading it while also doing the challenge series at the same time somewhere. I don't know where I'm gonna upload it, but it's not gonna be after I finish all the challenge series uploads along with the one more silent playthrough. Why am I doing silent playthroughs, you might ask? I think I might have discussed this in a video, maybe not. Maybe I'll pick it up like an audio recording that I didn't bother uploading it, that I recorded like months ago, maybe like in March. But the reason for that is I don't have any time during the day on doing videos, mainly because when I have a job and I work up to 5 p.m. and get home by like 6 p.m. Fucking birds. And by that time, up to like midnight, when everyone is asleep, I guess relatives, aka parents, are at home, and I can't do any recordings, and I can't do them in the morning either when they leave, because I also need to leave in the morning because, you know, work, full work hours and all that. So yeah, I can't really do any let's play recordings, but I can do silent ones. You know, difference between, like, of course, with the silent playthroughs and the let's plays is that I'm not commentating over them, but yeah. So those are the plans for those videos. I don't know when I'm gonna upload them. It depends on how much I need to record it, and also how much of the editing is going to take, and especially the rendering, how much that's gonna take, because, you know, I have a crap CPU to render videos. Even at 6:30 a.m. there's still a bit of traffic through here. Jeez. But yeah, I don't know when I'm gonna start uploading those, but hopefully sometime maybe late summer or in autumn, like possibly September or October at worst case scenario. But of course I have to schedule the videos first so I could like do them sort of like daily, giving the illusion that I'm doing daily uploads, even though I'm like I'm preparing the uploads to give the illusion that I'm doing this daily. So I don't know. It's sort of like I'm doing this mainly for like for YouTube algorithm reasons, I guess. If it'll even work, that is. Try to get more subscribers and hopefully more views for the videos, hopefully. So people will come back day after day to watch the videos. But then again, typically for my videos, like on the first few months of the videos, I barely get any views, but after a while, some of the videos, I do get more views over time. So I don't know how much it will help, but yeah, we'll see what happens. Pretty much already gone too deep on this kind of preparation, so I might as well do it right. So yeah, it's getting really windy. I don't know how well you can hear me right now. All this wind, but hopefully the audio is still audible on my end. So those are the plans, and I'm noticing that traffic is slowly starting to pick up. So it won't be as exciting as like last year's drive, mainly because I went out earlier. There was a lot less traffic when I reached this point and further up where I'm going to go. So I don't know. So I don't know how much I'm going to do this now, but but yeah, it's still pretty surreal to go through the sort of a half-empty street through the bike, and while recording this at the same time. Something new, I suppose, for the vlog channel, the second channel. But yeah, what we are going to, Jesus. Yeah, this isn't as exciting now, so I might as well stop this soon. I guess I'll just park around here somewhere, so that I don't have to stop this while riding. So yeah, I guess that's all for this sort of vlog, I suppose, and I'll see you on the next one whenever I'm gonna do it. So yeah, see ya. And also, I don't know how shaky this will be because I pretty much had this case closed while recording this, mainly so that I wouldn't accidentally drop it somewhere. So yeah, anyway, see you guys later.